Hello and welcome to my new project, and as you can see it's a WPL. Now the kit I've chosen to build this time is the WPL C34KM Blue, and for those of you that don't know, the KM means kit metal because it has metal axles and various other metal parts. Now the main change I'm going to be making to this kit is to spray the body with this green paint. So these are all the parts that are going to be painted, and here we are with my cardboard spray booth in the garage. Now the other parts I've painted are the rear bench seats and the front driver and passenger seat, and I've painted those in Tamiya XF10 flat brown. Okay, so here we have everything painted. Now it's not the best paint job in the world, but it doesn't look too bad and it's good enough for me. Now I'll just put this together loosely, and this will show you the two different body styles that I'll be using. So that's the kit version. And that's your single cab. Now at first I thought this green was a little bit too bright for the FJ, but I've done some searching on Google and I've found these images of a real one in pretty much the same green. And if you compare these pictures of mine and the real one side by side, I don't think it looks too bad. I'm quite happy with it. Right, so when I finished the doors, I turned the camera off to make a cup of coffee. Unfortunately, I forgot to turn it back on again, and I've completed the front cab. So here it is. And all I had to do was put in the cockpit with the seats, add the doors, which are hinged, and then put on the aerial, add the mirrors to the doors, and put the LEDs in the light buckets. So now we can continue with the rear part of the body. Okay, apart from a dodgy wiper blade, that's the kit body complete, and I'm very, very pleased with it. I think it's turned out great. I've also put the windows into the half cab conversion and added some decals, and that's all ready for a change of look sometime in the future. Right, the next job is to build the chassis.